Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to mark up photo on iOS 17. First of all, you need to open the photo that you want to mark, click on Edit, select this pen icon which is for markup, choose the pen that you want to use, and here you can mark something however you like. Obviously you can change the color here, the visibility, and then you can save it by tapping on Done. One more time Done, and that's it. As you can see now, it is saved with this markup. So you can share it with your friends via anything you want. This is it. So you can mark photos on iOS 17. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.